What if everything you thought you knew about fat loss was wrong? Forget endless cardio, restrictive diets, and obsessing over calories. The real secret to burning fat faster and feeling more energized lies deep within your cells, your mitochondria. Yes, those tiny powerhouses you learned about in biology class are doing way more than you've been told. And here's the kicker. They don't just create energy, they can literally turn fat into water. Sounds crazy, right? But cutting-edge science is proving it's not only possible, it's the key to unlocking a healthier, leaner, and more vibrant you. Think about it. Why do some people seem to burn fat effortlessly while others struggle no matter how hard they try? The answer isn't just about what you eat, it's about how efficiently your body uses energy. And that's where your mitochondria come in. These cellular batteries hold the power to supercharge your metabolism, boost your energy, and even improve your sleep. But here's the catch. If your mitochondria aren't optimized, you're stuck in a cycle of fatigue, stubborn fat, and frustration. In this video, we're diving into the science-backed methods to hack your mitochondria and transform the way your body burns fat. From understanding how your cells create energy to practical tips you can start using today. This isn't just another weight loss gimmick, it's a complete metabolic upgrade. Ready to discover the secret to turning fat into energy and water? Let's get started. For years, people have been told that losing fat is all about eating less and moving more. But let's be honest. How many times has that advice left you frustrated, stuck, or even gaining weight? The truth is, fat loss isn't just about calories in versus calories out. It's about understanding how your body works on a deeper level, especially when it comes to nutrient quality. Imagine fueling your body like a high-performance car. Would you pour cheap gas into a Ferrari? Of course not. The same goes for your metabolism. Here's the kicker. The science of fat loss is evolving, and it's flipping everything we thought we knew on its head. It's not just about cutting carbs or doing endless cardio anymore. It's about working smarter, not harder. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods, you're giving your body the tools it needs to burn fat efficiently and sustainably. Think of it like this. You're not just trying to lose weight. You're optimizing your body's entire energy system. And the best part, these methods don't require extreme diets or impossible routines. But here's where it gets even more exciting. What if I told you that your body has a hidden powerhouse? Your mitochondria, one that holds the key to unlocking faster fat loss, better energy, and even improved sleep. Yes, those tiny power plants in your cells are doing way more than you think. And once you understand how to optimize them, you'll see results that feel almost effortless. Ready to dive into the science behind it all? Let's talk about the real MVPs of your metabolism, your mitochondria. Let's talk about the unsung heroes of your metabolism, mitochondria. You've probably heard them called the powerhouse of the cell, but that's just scratching the surface. These tiny organelles are so much more than energy factories. They're like the command center of your body's energy system. Think of them as batteries that store and regulate energy, ensuring your body has what it needs to function at its best. But here's the twist. When your mitochondria aren't working efficiently, your metabolism slows down. Fat loss becomes a struggle, and fatigue takes over. What makes mitochondria so fascinating is their versatility. They don't just produce energy, they control oxidative stress, decide when cells should die, apoptosis, and even respond to light. Yes, you read that right. Your mitochondria emit and respond to light, almost like they have their own little communication system. They're also responsible for regulating which genes get expressed, meaning they play a direct role in how your body adapts to stress, exercise, and even diet. It's like having a built-in biohacking system that's constantly working behind the scenes. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Optimizing your mitochondria isn't just about improving energy levels. It's about transforming your entire metabolic health. When your mitochondria are efficient, they become fat-burning machines, turning stored fat into usable energy. And the best part, you can train them to work better through simple, practical strategies. But before we dive into how to supercharge these cellular batteries, let's explore the cutting-edge science that's changing the way we understand energy creation. Here's where things get mind-blowing. Your metabolism isn't just about food and exercise, it's also about quantum physics. Yes, you heard that right. Deep inside your mitochondria, electrons are moving in ways that defy traditional physics. This phenomenon, known as quantum tunneling, allows energy to transfer at speeds and distances that shouldn't even be possible. Imagine throwing a ball through a wall instead of over it. That's what's happening inside your cells. And this process is critical for creating the energy your body needs to burn fat and function efficiently. But that's not all. Your mitochondria rely on something called the proton motive force, which is essentially the movement of protons across a membrane to generate ATP, the energy currency of your body. Think of it like a hydroelectric dam. Water flows through turbines to create electricity, just as protons flow through your mitochondria to create energy. When this process runs smoothly, your body becomes a fat-burning powerhouse. But when it's disrupted, you're left with low energy, metabolic dysfunction, and stalled fat loss. Here's the kicker. This quantum-level energy creation is what makes your mitochondria so unique. It's not just about calories or macros. It's about how efficiently your body can move protons and electrons to create energy. And the best part, you can influence this process through your lifestyle choices. From fasting to nutrient-dense foods, there are practical ways to optimize this quantum energy system. But before we dive into those strategies, let's talk about one of the most fascinating byproducts of fat oxidation: water. Did you know that your body can literally turn fat into water? It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's 100% real, and it's happening inside your mitochondria every time you burn fat. Here's how it works. When your body oxidizes fat, it breaks down triglycerides into smaller components, which eventually combine with oxygen to produce water. This isn't just a cool fact, it's a game changer for your metabolism. That water, known as metabolic water, plays a critical role in maintaining the electrical charge your mitochondria need to function. Think of it this way. Your mitochondria are like batteries, and water is the medium that allows them to hold and transfer energy. Without enough metabolic water, your energy systems become inefficient, leading to sluggishness and stalled fat loss. This is why strategies like fasting and Lenzlen states are so effective. They force your body to tap into fat stores, creating both energy and water as byproducts. It's like hitting two birds with one stone. You're burning fat and hydrating your cells at the same time. But here's the kicker. This process isn't automatic. To maximize fat oxidation and metabolic water production, you need to create the right conditions. This means prioritizing nutrient-dense foods, incorporating fasting, and engaging in activities that encourage fat burning, like exercising in a fasted state. The more efficient your mitochondria become, the more water and energy they can produce. And as you'll see, these strategies are just the beginning of what it takes to optimize your metabolism and unlock your body's full potential. When it comes to optimizing your metabolism, the first step is to rethink how you fuel your body. Forget the outdated calories in, calories out mantra. It's time to focus on nutrient quality. Think of your body as a high-performance engine. Would you fill it with cheap, low-grade fuel? Of course not. The same applies to your metabolism. Prioritize whole nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens, lean proteins, and healthy fats. For example, swapping processed snacks for a handful of nuts or a boiled egg can make a world of difference in how your body burns fat and creates energy. Another game-changing strategy is incorporating fasting into your routine. You don't have to dive into extreme 24-hour fasts to see results. Start small with intermittent fasting, or try skipping a meal once a week. These metabolic mini-fasts can help your mitochondria become more efficient at burning fat. During these fasting windows, your body shifts into fat oxidation mode, producing metabolic water and encouraging mitochondrial biogenesis. It's like giving your cells a workout, training them to become stronger and more efficient. Finally, don't underestimate the power of supplementation and balanced nutrition. Your mitochondria thrive on key nutrients like B vitamins, magnesium, and copper, which act as cofactors in energy production. Foods like beef liver, shellfish, and dark leafy greens are excellent sources. And let's not forget protein. It's essential for maintaining muscle mass, which houses mitochondria and keeps your metabolism running strong. By combining these strategies, you're not just burning fat, you're building a foundation for long-term metabolic health. But what role does light and water play in this equation? Here's a surprising fact. Your mitochondria don't just respond to food, they also respond to light. Specifically, red and infrared light can directly impact mitochondrial function by improving the structure of metabolic water. Think of light as a natural charger for your cellular batteries. When your mitochondria absorb light, it enhances their ability to produce energy, making your body more efficient at burning fat. This is why exposure to natural sunlight or using red light therapy can be a game changer for your metabolism. It's not just about energy, it's about optimizing your body at a cellular level. But light isn't the only factor at play. Structured water, the kind your mitochondria produce during fat oxidation, is essential for maintaining the electrical charge that powers your cells. Imagine a battery with no liquid inside. It wouldn't work right. The same goes for your mitochondria. This water acts as the medium that allows protons and electrons to move efficiently, fueling the electron transport chain and creating ATP. Without it, your energy systems would grind to a halt, leaving you feeling drained and sluggish. So, how can you harness the power of light and water to supercharge your metabolism? Start by getting outside. Just 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight each day can make a difference. If natural light isn't an option, consider investing in a red light therapy device. And don't forget to support your body's natural production of structured water by prioritizing fat oxidation through fasting and low insulin states. These small practical steps can have a profound impact on your energy levels and fat-burning potential. But how do you tie all these strategies together for real, lasting results? So, what's the big takeaway here? Your mitochondria are more than just the powerhouse of the cell. They're the key to unlocking sustainable fat loss, boundless energy, and a healthier metabolism. By focusing on nutrient quality, embracing fasting, and optimizing your body's natural processes like fat oxidation and metabolic water production, you're not just burning fat, you're transforming your entire metabolic system. But here's the thing, knowledge is only powerful if you act on it. Are you ready to take control of your health and energy? Let me ask you this, what's stopping you from making these changes today? Is it fear of failure? Confusion about where to start? Remember, you don't have to overhaul your entire life overnight. Start small. Try skipping a meal once a week, or swapping processed snacks for whole foods. Experiment with sunlight exposure or red light therapy. These simple steps can lead to profound results, but only if you're willing to take that first step. So, what's holding you back? If this video inspired you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who needs to hear this. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more science-backed strategies for fat loss and metabolic health. Your journey doesn't end here, it's just beginning. Let's keep building a healthier, stronger you, one step at a time. See you in the next video.